Okay, we're going to be unboxing the Xero Shoes Sunrise in size 12. They come in brown and gray, and the first thing you notice once you take them out and get the paper outside of them is how lightweight they are. They're only about 5.6 ounces, and this is my fourth pair of Xero shoes. And so far I like the sandals, and I also use the aqua. You'll notice they have the rubber outsole with the grippy dual chevron tread, which is really good. But you clearly notice how lightweight they are. Made in China, but there are a lot of quality products that are still made in China. They come with a 5,000-mile warranty, which I totally believe the company would stand by. You see the stretchy part up top and the little loop in the back, which is like a little satin type material. And you notice how flexible they are. My wife looked at them and she's telling me in the back while I'm making the video, bend them to show people how flexible they are, because I think you could probably carry them anywhere. I was a little surprised that the insole could come out, and I guess that's if you want to wear it without the insole, or clean the insole or put a different one in if you needed a little bit more padding. It does have the wider toe box, and it's, that following that Xero Shoes mantra of bend, move, flex. Feels like a really good shoe. It was a little hard to get the insole back in, but I was able to get it back in. But still surprised that it could come out. Here they are, wearing them a little bit. It's a minimalist shoe without question. If you like that look, these are right for you. One thing I didn't like, I wear socks with my shoes a lot, and they kind of caught up there. But other than that, it's a great shoe. A lot of people wear them without socks. Super comfortable, and I'll probably do a 6-month review and let you know how I like it in a couple months. So like and subscribe.